Hi all, welcome to RVS. In this video, we are going to see the important concept. Okay, when we are creating a flow, okay, I'll show you. Wait. When we created a flow, see this is my flow. Okay, it's opening. So we have selected one default option like in process tab, we have selected a create new work object and this p by default. Okay, so work parties is py case management default. Okay, so what happens if I'm not selecting this py case management? Okay, default. Okay, we'll see. Drag down. I'll select as default. Okay, so default. I'm saving it. Save it and action. Okay, the run option will come now. Okay, if we run it without selecting py case management default, so what will happen? We'll see now. Okay, as I told you in that video, I'll explain you now. See, this is giving some error. Okay, new Rajesh maths case layer. This file may not be something you got. Okay, so add stakeholders and all something is coming. Okay, so if we did not select that py case management default, if we select the default, it will get create. So from here also we'll by deleting it, we can go create the expected screen will come now. But to avoid this screen, we are simply selecting the py case management. Okay, see this is our old screen which we got earlier. Okay, it's okay. Then again I'll go and I'll edit it, otherwise we'll get confusion. Okay, where work parties, drop down, remove, drop down, py case management default, save it. What happens if I'm not selecting this option? Okay, create new work object. So what is work object? Work object is nothing but it will make the transaction executable. So if I did not select this, so the what would be the result? So just guess the result. So it should not make the transaction is executable. So we will not get the screen. We should not get the screen actually, but see, I'll show you. If I'm unselecting this, if I'm trying to execute it, the run option should not come, but the run option is coming. Without creating the work object also the screen is running. Run option is coming means it's executable. Why it is executable? You can see the error here. See, you can see the warning that if I'm clicking on it, it will give the screen, but it will not work in real time. So what is the warning? We'll see the warning. Okay, first review it. This flow is draft mode. Draft mode suppresses most errors. However, this flow will not execute in production. Draft mode means it's only dummy mode. It's only for demo purpose, but it will not execute in production. Remember to turn off the draft mode before transition into production. Okay. Okay. So what it is giving? We need to turn off the draft mode. So diagram, draft mode is on. If I'm turning off, I turned off. See, now the draft mode is off. So what I'll do now, I'll go to process tab. I'll try to unselect it. Now I'll see, unselect it and save it. Okay, now what will happen? If I'm click on here, the run option is not coming because it is not allowing the transaction to executable. That is the purpose why we are selecting a create a new object. If I'm save it, I'll get the now I'm getting the run option. So you got my point. How to execute, sorry, what is the point of selecting this create new object screen and py case management default I have covered in this video. In next video, I'll show you how to go to that our work object table. Okay, until then, bye bye.